Okay, everybody. Okay. Calm down. Calm down. Is anybody else watching the news every day like, what the heck is going on in the world? Is it just me? No? Well, we should all know by now that the media has a funny way of accentuating things and making them seem bigger than they might truly be. However, we still should not be taking the information that we're being provided lightly, so stay healthy, people. It is also pretty obvious that the markets have been quite affected by this recent global news and the pandemic. So the question is, should you even be trading Forex during this time? Well, if you want to know the answer to that, then keep watching. What's up, guys? Candice B here. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Welcome back to my subscribers and welcome to my new ones. I hope you are all doing well and remaining healthy by doing simple things such as washing your hands, washing your clothes, disinfecting objects that you come into contact with, keeping a distance from people, etc. I mean, this should have been the norm before the pandemic, but let me just sip my tea. Anyways, over these last few weeks, the markets have been going insane. And this is, of course, correlating to the state of the economy itself. A lot of people are scared and uncertain about the stability of the market. So as a result, they're selling their stocks and whatnot. And of course, that's causing the stock market to become bearish. So because the stock market is so affected by this pandemic, how does this affect the Forex market? Well, if you already know what Forex is, then you're aware of the fact that you have the opportunity to both buy and sell during this time, and you can do that with currencies, indices, commodities, etc. So it's not to say that the current state of the market isn't super lucrative for people, because it is. But in this video, I wanted to touch upon a few points to keep in mind when you're asking yourself whether or not you should be trading Forex during this high market volatility. Now, as a disclaimer, the points that I will be discussing in this video are merely just my opinion from my perspective of what has been going on in the market. So take it with a grain of salt, but the goal is to definitely get you guys thinking about strategy when it comes to approaching the markets. So let's discuss these points. So the first thing you should ask yourself in regards to whether you should be trading Forex right now is if you are okay with risking money that you are willing to possibly lose. Now, before you guys come at my necks for saying this and start commenting,
"Oh my gosh, Candice, Forex is trash. Oh my gosh, I knew it was gambling. Oh my gosh, it is a scam. Oh my gosh."
Hear me out. It goes without saying that with any sort of investing or instances where you are speculating where the price of a market will go, there will be risk involved. Now, how much risk is up to you, because it is up to you to have a risk management strategy that will be in place to protect your capital, because the goal at the end of the day is to protect your capital. Let me say it once more for the people that are in the back. Protect your capital. Okay, so now that we have gotten that out of the way, yes, you should definitely be asking yourself if you are willing to risk the money that you are planning to trade Forex with. If when you ask yourself this question, you reply to yourself saying no, then don't trade Forex. It's as simple as that. It's literally that simple. You know what? That's it. That's all I have to say in the video. Bye, guys. I'm just kidding. Come back. Where are you going? There should not be a rush to trade Forex just because of what is going on in the world right now and the hastiness of how the media is reporting this news. Because regardless of what is going on in the world, the Forex market is volatile regardless. In my opinion, if you are learning how to trade Forex or you've been trading Forex for a while, then your mindset should still be the same in terms of how you approach the market. But if anything, the only thing that you should be more strict with at this point is, again, protecting your capital. Please do not switch up how you look at the market just because of this pandemic. Because we don't know how long this will go on for and how much of a long-term effect it will have on the markets, the best thing you can do would be just to continue using your trading plan, avoid over trading as usual, and just simply take what the market gives you so that you keep your risk as low as possible. That being said, the second thing that you should ask yourself in regards to if you should be trading Forex right now is, are you just trading for the hype? One thing that I feel like people should not be doing is falling for the hype and then going, oh my gosh, let me take my life savings that I've worked so hard to save. Oh my gosh, let me take my child's college fund and put it into the market because I want to make $1 million by tomorrow, by next week. Okay, I need to make this moolah. Sway. Please have some sense. Please have some sense. Make it make sense. Make it make sense. Like I said before, the Forex market is already volatile as it is on a normal basis. And so of course it is way more volatile now and more unpredictable because of what is going on in the world. You also have to keep in mind that there is going to be a lot of slippage going on. So it won't be uncommon for your stop loss or your take profit targets to be missed by a few points because of how fast price is moving right now. So all I am saying is just think before you decide to jump the gun and risk money that would literally negatively affect your entire life if it is lost. Just don't do it. Save yourself that despair. It is so unnecessary. At the end of the day, the Forex market was here before this pandemic and will still be here after this pandemic. So just chill, calm down, chill. And please do not DM me talking about, oh, Candace, how can I make money quickly with the Forex market? I need that money now. Look at how the market is moving. How can I capitalize on this? Firstly, I won't respond. And secondly, your butt will get whooped in these market conditions if that is your mindset. So just saying. Even if we're not talking about Forex, falling for any type of hype or trying to follow a trend doesn't usually end well in general. So if you are not truly passionate about the learning process of Forex and you're just thinking that this is a perfect opportunity to just hop on a trend and make loads of money, ooh, child, you are in for a rude awakening. Don't get me wrong though, because yes, people will make a lot of money during this pandemic, but you can't look at it like a lottery because either those people who are making a lot of money are part of the 0.00000000001% who are just extremely lucky and were in the right place at the right time, or they are people who have been trading for a while and have been following their plan and they are seeing this opportunity and are just executing. And of course making more money because of it. But nothing has changed in regards to their trading plan. I personally will always want to remain in the latter group. Which, last but not least, leads me to the third thing to ask yourself if you should be trading Forex during this pandemic, which is, are you okay with waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting for your setup to happen? I'm still waiting for you to come feel ecstasy on my knees. Hey, sorry guys, sorry. Now I am not talking about the usual couple hours that you may wait after, doing your chart analysis, waiting for that setup. I'm talking about days, because as you can see, with literally every Forex pair, there are crazy whipsaws, huge candles during times when there is usually low volatility, and then small candles during times when there is usually high volatility. So what you have to be able to do is W-A-I-T, wait. And I'm just thinking that if anything, this pandemic is going to be a huge test for a lot of Forex traders. This will really test our patience and our ability to remain emotionless during a time where everything else around us is running off of high emotions of fear and uncertainty. So in reality, instead of these market conditions becoming easier for people to make money in Forex, it actually may become more difficult in my opinion. Ask yourself, are you prepared for your trading skills to be tested? Are you prepared to trade in this market where the conditions are starting to act very different? Are you prepared to remain emotionless? Are you prepared to remain locked in? Are you prepared to remain consistent with your trading strategy and routine? Because that will be the way to increase your chances of success with trading Forex during this pandemic. Thank you, ladies and gents, for watching this video. I appreciate you guys coming to my channel. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative or helpful in some sort of way, go ahead and click that like button. That would be awesome. Also, feel free to comment down below and let me know, if you have had to modify anything in order to protect your capital and continue to increase your chances of success in Forex. Last but not least, don't forget to subscribe so you know when I post another video. And in the meantime, feel free to enjoy the other videos that I have on my channel. Once again, I hope you are all remaining safe and remaining in optimal health and just continue to do things that will keep you healthy. I am praying for those who have been directly and indirectly affected by this virus, and I'm just hoping that we can all remain level-headed and calm as we globally overcome this pandemic. That being said, I hope you all have a great day, week, and life, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!